press the bell icon on the YouTube app and never miss another update.
Hello everyone, this is Abhishek. In this video I am talking about the Huawei P40 Pro leak shows off 5 camera bump and ceramic body. So shall we? New renders from even EV leaks blast give us what may well be our best look at Huawei's next flagship phones. This is the P40 Pro according to Blast, who says that the phone will make use of ceramic in its build. As with a previous leak, it looks like the front glass and back panel will curve on all 4 edges. The most prominent design features revealed in the images is the colossal camera bump that houses 5 lenses, one of which is periscope style telephoto camera. The Leica branding and technical details describing the array as covering 18 to 240 mm equivalents, which between the ultra-wide and telephoto should amount to more than 13x zoom reach. It's likely though that Huawei is relying on software enhancements to arrive at that figure. On the front of the phone, you can see notchless screen with a hole punch cutout for 2 selfie cameras. The power button and volume rockers are on the right edges. The top and left sides are essentially blank. And there's a USB-C port and speaker on the bottom. No headphone jack, unsurprisingly. Huawei's last 2 P series flagship phones have been announced in Paris, March, so an official launch should be far away. The difference this time, of course, is that Huawei may again be forced to release its phone without onboard support for Google services, as was the case with last year's Mate 30 Pro. That's all for now. Keep watching all the videos and wait for the next best tech videos for you.